it's Miss Kristin.
And Miss Melissa.
And Miss Kim.
Happy Friday, kiddos. We are so glad to be with you today on YouTube. Can you believe it's almost Christmas? This year, we have something special for you and your family as you celebrate the season of Advent.
Family Advent Kids.
Ask your grown-up to bring you to church on November 29th between 4 and 5, or on December 2nd between 6:30 and 7:30, and drive through to pick up your family Advent kit.
But what is a family Advent kit, you might ask?
It's a bag filled with fun and interactive activities to help your family have the most meaningful Christmas ever.
Right, but what's in the bag?
Well, you'll have to get one and find out. But don't worry, we'll be posting a video in the next few weeks to give you a sneak peek at what you'll find in your family Advent kit.
I think we have some friends who are celebrating some birthdays this week.
Woohoo! Happy birthday to Addison, Adeline, and Grayson.
Happy birthday to Brooke, Charlie, and Leah.
And happy birthday to Lucy, Morgan, and Wells.
Woo-hoo!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! We wish you all a very, very happy birthday.
If you have a birthday coming up and want a special birthday shout out, have your grown-up email us at kids@hydeparkumc.org.
This month in our Church at Home lessons and in virtual Sunday morning live, we are learning all about thankfulness.
Last week in preschool, we talked about how we can thank God for food with the story of Elijah and the widow. And this week, we'll be hearing a story about Moses and Aaron.
Last week in elementary, we talked about celebrating what God has done with a story about David. This week, we'll be hearing a story from Luke about the 10 lepers.
So you guys join us for these conversations, including Bible story, trivia, breakouts, and virtual Sunday morning live on Zoom at 10:15 on Sunday mornings.
Want to watch the Bible story videos at another time? They'll be posted weekly right here in our YouTube channel.
At 6:30 p.m. on Wednesdays, we connect with God and each other through fun and laughter on Zoom and CM Live.
It's a great time to relax and be silly with game time.
Or sing and dance with some Worship Wednesdays.
Or shine God's love as we grow closer to God and each other with Wednesday Wins.
We'd love for you to join us.
And feel free to always invite a friend. Just share the Zoom link.
All Zoom links, as well as all information about what's happening in children's ministries, can be found on our website, hydeparkumc.org/children.
If you have any questions or you just want to say hello, we'd love to hear from you.
Will you pray with us, friends? Dear God, we thank you for this day and for protecting us from the storm this week. We know it could have been much worse. God, as we continue to celebrate Veterans Day, we give thanks to all those who serve our country for their bravery and their sacrifice. God, as we continue to go through the weeks ahead, just help us live with an attitude of gratitude. Help us each day to find things and people and places that we are grateful for and to give thanks. God, we know every good thing comes from you, and we just give you all our praise and thanks for the many, many ways you bless us and care for us. We love you, and we ask these things in your name. Amen.
Amen. Bye, friends. Don't
Bye.
forget to like, share, and subscribe.